Mga sagot sa karaniwang tanong. Answers to Common Questions Part 2. Excuse me, are you Indonesian? Excuse me, are you Indonesian? Indonesian ka ba? Sagot, no, I'm not. I'm Filipino. No, I'm not. I'm Filipino. Ibig sabihin, hindi. Filipino ako. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Nagsasalita ka ba ng English? O kaya ay marunong ka bang mag-English? Sagot, a little but not very well. A little but not very well. Medyo pero hindi gaano. How are you? How are you? Kumusta ka? I'm fine, thanks. I'm fine, thanks. Mabuti naman, salamat. How do you do? How do you do? Ito ay isang formal na paraan ng pangungumusta, lalo na kung unang beses kayong nagkakilala. Ang pwede mong isagot, how do you do? Pleased to meet you. How do you do? Pleased to meet you. Kumusta ka? Ikinagagala kitang makilala. What's up? What's up? Anong balita? O anong meron? Sagot, nothing much. Nothing much. Wala naman o kaya ay wala masyado. How was your day? How was your day? Kumusta ang araw mo? Really good. Really good. Mabuti naman. Are you happy today? Are you happy today? Masaya ka ba ngayon? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Oo. What's your name? What's your name? Anong pangalan mo? My name's Henry. My name's Henry. Henry ang pangalan ko. Siyempre, papalitan mo kung ano yung totoo mong pangalan. What's your surname? What's your surname? Anong apelyido mo? Cavill. Where are you from? Where are you from? Taga saan ka? I'm from Qatar. I'm from Qatar. Taga Qatar ako. How old are you? How old are you? Ilang taon ka na? Sagot, kung ano yung totoong edad mo. Halimbawa, 31. 31. When and where were you born? When and where were you born? Kailan at saan ka ipinanganak? Sagot, I was born in 1975 in Doha. I was born in 1975 in Doha. Ipinanganak ako noong 1975 sa Doha. Palitan mo na lang ang mga naka-underline ng tunay na taon at lugar ng kapanganakan mo. What do you do? What do you do? Anong trabaho mo? I'm a dentist. I'm a dentist. Dentista ako. What's your profession? What's your profession? Ano ang propesyon mo? I'm a lawyer. I'm a lawyer. Isa akong abogado. What's your job? What's your job? Ibig sabihin, ano ang trabaho mo? I'm a domestic helper. I'm a domestic helper. Kasambahay ako. Do you work from home? Do you work from home? Sa bahay ka ba nagtatrabaho? No, I work at an office. No, I work at an office. Hindi, sa opisina ako nagtatrabaho. Where do you live? Where do you live? Saan ka nakatira? I live at the Pearl. I live at the Pearl. Nakatira ako sa the Pearl. Ginamit natin ang English preposition na at dahil specific na lugar ang tinutukoy natin. At the Pearl. Pero kung malaking area o lugar naman ang babanggitin, dapat ang preposition na in ang gagamitin natin katulad ng pangalawang sagot. Where do you live? I live in El Nasser. I live in El Nasser. Nakatira ako sa El Nasser. What's your address? What's your address? Ano ang address mo? Number 2, Seaside Boulevard, Pasay City. O kung ano yung totoong address mo. What's your email address? What's your email address? Ano ang email address mo? Sagot, you can email me at g12@gmail.com. You can email me at g12@gmail.com. Pwede mo akong i-email sa g12@gmail.com o kung ano yung totoong email address mo. What's your mobile number? What's your mobile number? Ano ang mobile number mo? My number is 6662-9381. My number is kung ano yung totoong number mo. Ang numero ko ay 6662-9381. How long have you been here? How long have you been here? Gaano ka nakatagal dito? Sagot, I have been here for 12 years. I've been here for 12 years. 12 taon na ako dito. Can I ask you a few personal questions? Can I ask you a few personal questions? Pwede ba kitang tanungin ng ilang personal na katanungan? Sure. Oo ba? Do you have a girlfriend? Do you have a girlfriend? May girlfriend ka ba? Yes, I do. Oo, meron. Do you have a boyfriend? Do you have a boyfriend? May boyfriend ka ba? No, I don't. No, I don't. Wala. Are you single? Are you single? Single ka ba? No, I have a boyfriend. No, I have a boyfriend. Hindi, may boyfriend ako. Are you married? Are you married? May asawa ka na ba? No, I'm single. No, I'm single. Wala, single ako. Are you married? Sagot, yes, I'm married. Yes, I'm married. Oo, may asawa na ako. What's your marital status? What's your marital status? Ano ang marital status mo? I'm married. I'm married. May asawa na ako. Do you have children? Do you have children? May mga anak ka ba? No, not yet. No, not yet. Wala pa. Do you have kids? Do you have kids? May mga anak ka ba? Yes, I have 3 kids, 2 boys and 1 girl. Yes, I have 3 kids, 2 boys and 1 girl. Oo, may 3 akong anak, 2 lalaki at 1 babae. How many kids do you have? How many kids do you have? Ilan ang anak mo? I have 2 kids, twin boys. I have 2 kids, twin boys. May 2 akong anak, kambal na lalaki. Anything else? Anything else? Ano pa? Meron pa bang iba? No, that's all. No, that's all. Wala na, yun lang. What's your hobby? What's your hobby? Ano ang libangan mo? I like baking. I like baking. Mahilig akong mag-bake. How much is this? How much is this? Ibig sabihin, magkano to? That's 10 reals. That's 10 reals. 10 real yan. How much are these? How much are these? Magkano ang mga ito? Those are 20 euros. Those are 20 euros. 20 euro ang mga yan. How much does this cost? How much does this cost? Magkano to? It's $5. It's $5. $5 yan. How much is this altogether? How much is this altogether? Magkano lahat to? 300 dirhams. 300 dirhams. 300 dirham. How much money do you have? How much money do you have? Magkano ang pera mo? O kaya ay gaano karaming pera meron ka? I only have 500 pesos. I only have 500 pesos. Meron lang akong 500 piso. How much money do you have? Not a lot. Not a lot. Ibig sabihin, wala masyado o kaunti lang. How much is it to go to Japan? How much is it to go to Japan? Magkano papuntang Japan? It's $900. It's $900. $900. How much do I owe you? How much do I owe you? 50 pounds. Who is this? Who is this? Sino to? That's my grandpa. That's my grandpa. Lolo ko yan. Do you know Lisa? Do you know Lisa? Kilala mo ba si Lisa? Yes, she's my friend. Yes, she's my friend. Oo, kaibigan ko siya. Who is Carla? Who is Carla? Sino si Carla? Sagot, Carla? I've never heard of her. Carla? I've never heard of her. Ibig sabihin, Carla, hindi ko siya kilala. Do you know who Bob is? Do you know who Bob is? Kilala mo ba kung sino si Bob? No, who is he? No, who is he? Hindi, sino siya? Who's your boss? Who's your boss? Sino ang amo mo? My boss is Mr. Hamad. My boss is Mr. Hamad. Ang amo ko ay si Ginoong Hamad. Is he Qatari? Is he Qatari? Qatari ba siya? Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Oo. How many languages can you speak? How many languages can you speak? Ilang wika ang kaya mong salitain? 2. English and Filipino. 2. English and Filipino. 2. Ingles at Pilipino. What time do you open? What time do you open? Anong oras kayo nagbubukas? We open at 10 in the morning. We open at 10 in the morning. Nagbubukas kami ng 10:00 ng umaga. What time do you close? What time do you close? Anong oras kayo nagsasara? Sagot, we close at 9. We close at 9. Nagsasara kami ng 9:00.